Good morning, guys. I see something I haven't seen in a couple of days, and that's the sun. And that's awesome. We're not going to see it long. They're saying that we've got an 80% chance of rain. I just checked the radar. We do. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the report here so I can start hubby's breakfast. Get him his meds. Let me lighten this up a little bit here. There we go. They're saying our temperature is 76. I've got 79. We're not that far off today. We do have some storms all the way from Florida all the way up to Quebec, Canada. So heavy rain, downpours, chance of flooding. I'm just reading off the paperwork here, guys. Alright, North Carolina, they're saying may wind up with something like 5 inches of rain before all this is done. That's a lot of rain. There are rip currents all the way up from Florida through Maine along the east coast. Alright, let's see what we got here. Earthquakes. Hawaii's being obstinate right now. They've got lava, threatening one of the boat ramps now in Hawaii, asking people to move any boats from there, coming from Fisher 7 or 8. They've also had 83 earthquakes in the last hour and a half, ranging from a 1.0 to a 3.9. In the last 2 hours are the rest of them. Here, Costa Rica has had a 4.6, Taiwan a 4.0. In Indonesia, okay, they had 2 5.0s, but they downgraded one of them to a 4.9. Ecuador, 4.7. Peru, a 4.2. Chile, a 3.0. Alaska's had several little earthquakes ranging from a 0.2 to a 3.1. The Philippines have had a 4.0, a 3.7, and a 3.0. Guys, keep in mind, this is just in the last hour and a half. Okay? Now, if you are in these areas, you need to be aware of a heat advisory that's going on. Let's see here. Phoenix, Tucson, Arizona, Vegas. From San Diego all the way to Portland, Oregon. All the way up and down the west coast. Central California, in the middle of heat warnings. All these are 3-digit numbers, guys. Quebec, Canada, Ontario, Canada, are under heat warnings. Please be careful out there. Keep your eyes, your ears, and your eyes open, okay, for strange things happening with the heat waves. People are winding up in the hospital with heat stroke. And I don't want you guys, any of you guys, anybody at all really, to wind up in the hospital with heat stroke. God bless you. Sorry about it being a short video this morning. But that means something good, that I haven't had any major earthquakes happening either. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much.